In this video, I will show you how to put a password to your Netflix account for account security. You can do this on your either Android phone, iPhone, or on PC, provided that you have access to a web browser. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to open up your browser. I'm using Chrome browser, so I'm going to open up my Chrome browser right here. The next thing you want to do is to click on this plus sign right here. Then go ahead and click on search Google. Then type in netflix.com and hit enter. And it's going to take you right here. All you have to do is to go ahead and simply click on sign in. Then here you go. Go ahead and click on enter email or phone number. Enter your registered email address. Then go ahead and hit on continue right here. And its verification code is going to be sent to your mail. Access from your web browser. Then proceed to your registered email address. I'm using my Gmail right here. Then refresh my Gmail. Then here you go. You have your sign-in code right here. Go ahead and click on it to open the mail. My sign-in code is 9060. So I'm going to go back right here. 9060. 9060. Then hit on continue. Boom. Successfully log in. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed to accounts. Click on manage account. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply proceed to security right here. Then scroll down. Then under the security, go ahead and click on password. So here you go. At this point here, add your new password, retype your new password. Then you can as well uncheck sign out on all devices. If you don't want to sign out, simply uncheck this. Once you uncheck that, enter your new password, retype your new password, and hit on save. With that, you have successfully added a password to your Netflix account. For more important tutorial security settings about Netflix account like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.